with respect to its ranking, right? So let's start with the review of this college. So this is part of a presidency group, and it was started in 2001, and it has a presidency university, 2 colleges, and 7 schools, right, in Karnataka, right? And it's A plus in by NAC, right? So this is the NAC cycle. In 2012 it was A grade with 3.2 out of 4, and now it's 3.52 out of 4. That's why it's now given for 5 years NAC A plus rating. Now coming to the different rankings by different magazines, right? So it is rated by 137 in India and 39 best private B schools, and all India category 51 by in the South category. So it has been consistently into top 100 category via different magazines. And now talking about the Center for Management Studies MBA program, for which this video is about. So that was established in 2002. So MBA program itself is around 20 years into this college, presidency college. And coming to a little bit about the infrastructure before I get into the details about the program. So it has got a decent infrastructure for student facilities, and college academic environment. So you can see some of those are the pictures, and it's a completely surveillance enabled campus. So CCTV camera across classrooms and the other, so that provides for good facilities. And the campus is completely Wi-Fi enabled, so the good number of access points across the classroom, laboratories. So that's a good point. And it has a good big size auditorium with respect to various cultural activities, dance, skits, or singing which happens, as well as the management programs, right? So you see a very beautiful infrastructure at all levels, seminar halls or the small conference room, or even the computer lab facilities. It is very good, and you can see that it is maintained as per good standards with all good switches and the connectivity provided. Library is also good to meet over the demand of 2500 students which are part of this college, and a good number of books. And the timing is between 8:30 to 6 p.m. in the normal time, right? And this is some of the picture of the library which you can see here. And apart from that, the student infrastructure and life support is also very good, and there are a lot of good number of activities which happens throughout the year in the normal time. Now coming to the hostel facilities, it is provided both for boys and the girls, and it has a combination of both veg and the non-veg cuisine which is provided in the room, as well as North Indian and the South Indian food which is given. So this is just a snapshot of one of the boys hostel photos. And apart from that, there's a good number of sports facilities like cricket, football, basketball, volleyball, badminton, all inside the campus of the college. So it's a very beautiful campus, and it's affiliated to Bangalore University. So this is one of the picture of the sports event. And now coming to the postgraduate program, which I'm talking is a MBA program, and it's around 240 seats, and within this college, and affiliated to Bangalore University. Total put together 240 seats are there which you can grab. And the eligibility for this is you should be bachelor's, and you should have clear KMAT or your PG set, right? So both the way of admission is there, the 2 years course, and the 3 programs: marketing, finance, and the HR. So you have only 3 programs here. So the program, the one which you can get through is a PG set, which I have already covered the cutoff of this, but I'm bringing it from my other video. So cutoff for presidency, the college code is B245, and the cutoff is 6149 for getting into the presidency college. So these are some other college which are there, and I'm reviewing all of them in my video reviews. So, and about the course curriculum, so 2-year program. So first semester will be common, second semester will be common across areas of management, accounting, business analytics, statistics, and all. And the third and the fourth semester will be more towards your specialization. You can offer marketing, finance, or human resources, one of the 3. So depending on which for the finance you have investment analysis, corporate taxation, and similarly for marketing you have business and social marketing, etc. Now coming to their median salaries, right? This is as per the NIRF data which was presented. So this is snapshot from NIRF report, and it's not created by me. So out of 216 students eligible, 162 got placed in last year, and previous to that year 214, and our median salary is around 6 lakhs, 6.5, 6.6 lakhs. So that is a quite good salary, right? If you have to talk about. And now coming to the students profile and what the type of companies they got placed, you see Mudhoot Finance, you see SDFC Bank, you can see ENY, you see Canara HSBC Bank, you see HDA. Yeah, so 4 or 5 companies main you see, and the students coming for MBA course are from the graduation background of BBA, BCom, and many of them, right? So some more companies here you can see Arctech Information Systems, right? As you can see PinClick, Square Yards, which is into real estate, KPMG, with a big time consulting company, and the Skytree Consulting, again the consulting. So there are different types of companies which visit, and there are different type of profiles which students get. And you further see here, Tata Trends, which is a retail sector. EY, KPMG are definitely are 2 big people. Satin is also again a big name. PhonePe is a wallet company. And Skytree I mentioned. There's FCell Loon Academy intern, right? So this is another opportunity. And this is typically the same set of companies. We have Idea Worldwide, right? And you have Ethnos, ETHN. There's a student who got placed in Wall Street, right? So that is also a good. Byju's you can see on the campus at HSBC Bank. So there's a lot of good number of host of opportunities which are provided. These are some of the pictures I'm covering. I cannot do all because it will be big video. And Capital Box, right? Wells Fargo is a big size bank. PhonePe again. Mudhoot Finance, you saw earlier also few students and so on, right? So good number of students gets placed, and you have seen the median salary 6.5 lakhs, and 70 to 80% bat at least from the eligible students gets placed, right? So that is very good number there. And this more continues. So some more are there with EY, right? Ernst & Young. So a lot of students earn information in Electronica. I can see the new name, couple of students there, and Tata Trends continues, right? So these are some of the fees. And now coming to the fee structure for this college, it's around 5.35 lakhs. And also you can get the college through PG set mode, as I said. So for the PG set mode, the 1 year course is around 80,000. So 2 years put together will be close to 1.6 lakhs plus additional charges, close to 2 lakhs you can assume. Now coming to the hostel facilities, so there's a hostel for both boys and girls, a 2 boys hostel, 2 girls hostel inside the campus, and the specific hostel fees is 1 lakh, close to that. In the triple sharing basis, it will be 1.1 lakhs for both boys and girls, and the food twin sharing, it will be 1,50,000. So triple sharing 110, twin sharing 150, and so on, right? For girls also it's rare. So that's what I have, in terms of complete fees, college, cutoff, placement details about this. And this is a NAC A+ college. Definitely you can